What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the LG Fortune 2. Now, I did go into Cricket Wireless today to pick up this phone, and the phone is actually $100 itself. So I went in and I got the phone. The phone is $99.99, as well as the cheapest $30 plan and the tax. And I walked out of there after everything was said and done for $165. So let's go ahead and see what you get with the LG Fortune 2. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the phone that we have right here, LG Fortune 2. We actually have some specifications on the front right here. It says vibrant 5-inch HD display, quad-core processing power with 4G LTE, 8-megapixel camera with an LED flash and a full HD video, as well as a 5-megapixel front camera. So that is just some of the specifications that we actually receive on this phone. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this tab out. We have the phone on top. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that after. If we pull this up, we also have our SIM card, product safety and warranty information, terms and conditions, a 2500 milliamp battery from LG, the LG travel adapter, and we have micro USB 2.0 on this device, so no Type-C. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this phone out of the packaging right here. Now, taking a look at the phone now, it's pretty much similar to the LG Fortune and a ton of other LG phones, such as the LG Aristo series. Looks pretty much identical to those. So taking a look at the back of the device, we have the LG logo right here, a Cricket logo right here, the power button, and we do not have a fingerprint sensor on here, and that's kind of sad to see because, you know, this is 2018 and this is a $100 phone. You know, even 2 years ago with the Z Max Pro, we had a fingerprint sensor and that device was 99 bucks. But we also have an 8-megapixel rear-facing camera that is capable of shooting full HD video. And we also have a flash under it as well. Taking a look at the bottom of the phone, we do have a speaker. I'm not sure how well the speaker is going to do, but hopefully it's decent. So going to the left side of the device, we do have a volume rocker right here, and the thing I love about this is it's actually spaced, so you guys know when you're turning up and down the volume, and I really love when they space the volume buttons. Going to the right of the device, we really have nothing other than the back opener, so we can actually pop this back off. And if you guys actually have another LG phone, you can utilize this and put in batteries if your phone dies. We can also put a micro SD card in here, which is pretty awesome, and we also put our SIM card in here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So we went ahead and popped the SIM in. We're also going to go ahead and pop this 2500 milliamp battery in. You know, not too big of a battery on this device, but it really doesn't need it. I will give you updates on the battery life though. So let's go ahead and take the front plastic off. And as you guys see, we do have a front-facing camera right there that is 5 megapixels, and it looks like we have a notification light sensor. We also have a headset at the top of this device too. Let's go ahead and hold this in and turn on the device. So Android is currently starting right now. It's at 19%, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to when it's done. Stay tuned. Awesome, so we finally got to the welcome screen right here. You guys can go ahead and set to what language you want it at, but I'm going to set to English, and we're going to go ahead and press to the right. Also, first and foremost, this doesn't have a 5 gigahertz band, so just thought I'd get that out of the way. And just a heads up, the phone does boot up with about 49%, 50% on this phone, so that's pretty nice. Alright, so we're finally inside of the phone, and I have to say the screen actually looks pretty decent. Viewing angles on this device are pretty darn good as well. Again, this is a IPS display, and this is going to be 720p, so we are getting an HD panel on here. Obviously, you can do better on some other phones. There are much nicer phones out there for this price, but for $99, I don't think it's really bad at all, honestly. Let's go ahead and check what type of software we have on this device currently, though. Alright, so currently we actually have Android version 7.1.2. So yeah, we have Android Nougat on this device. Not really amazing, but it has Nougat, so that's pretty decent. But so far, pretty fluid, as all phones are when they start up. But I will give you my full review on this device, as well as some other videos. Also, if you guys have any questions, definitely put them in the comments down below, especially if you are thinking about, you know, using this device as a daily driver or even picking it up. Definitely leave a comment down below, and we'll see if we can help you out and make a video on your problem. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, turn on notifications so you guys know every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, guys.